Hey guys, and welcome to another YouTube episode. And you're probably wondering, where are the boxes? Where's the backyard? Where's my bike? What's going on? Why am I in the dark? And the reason for that is there's no unboxing today because I already unboxed the product. And you're probably wondering, why is there a rope hanging down from one of my backgrounds? And I got my green screen right down there behind my white background. Yeah. So on this episode, I'm gonna be doing a review of the Titsumi LED TV LED strip for screens up to 6.5 feet. This strip LED strip is good for like your bookshelves, kitchen cabinets, and mostly for the TVs. But I'm using it for my DJing. And I was using this the other day, and it was like so bright in my room when I was DJing live on Instagram, which you guys should subscribe and check me out. And no, it lit up my whole entire room. It was the most amazing thing I've ever seen. I was like, and it was only $3 at Walmart. So I was like, for $3 at Walmart, it's not gonna be that bright, but it is. It has. Here's the remote that it comes with. So if you turn it on, you get to see it. This is the last settings I had it on. And as you can see, my whole room, how it's lighting up. Yeah. And it has all these colors. Red, this color, this color, this color, this color. Has basically so many colors that you could choose from. But at the same time, you could dim the lights. Look how bright I dimmed it now. So you also got these other features like flash and strobe and all that. So you push that and you got that. And then also the dimming button works as the speed for the lights. And you got other features here on the remote that does like this other effect. There's just so many effects and so many things to play with the remote that it's like wow. And it only takes one of those batteries that you from a watch, one of those round watch batteries. Other than that, it's not much to say, you know. And I think it's pretty cool that you got your color patterns here too. Let's see. No. Uh. All right. That there's kind of like a black light, I guess. I guess you would say this is like a black light. Or this one too could be like a black light. You can't really tell the colors on my phone screen. But I mean, I got 48 megapixels. I should be able to, but I don't know. Anyways, it has on and off, has everything. Oh yeah, and it comes in this. I don't know if you can see it from back here. It has this like came with like this plastic that it came wrapped in, which is where I'm keeping it because I'm using it for my DJ table. That's what I'm gonna use these LED light strips for. And it comes with a sticky thing. Mm. It has like a sticky thing, like you peel this off, and it has like a sticky, so you could stick it onto the back of the TV plastic or whatever, or to the bottom of the cabinet. I don't want to remove the stickiness because I don't want to have it like, unless I'm gonna have it on back of a TV or something, or underneath a car, which that's actually a pretty cool idea. They probably got that in Japan already though. Japanese racing cars like the Nissan Skylines probably got these, whatever. That's pretty cool. And other than that, there's really not much to say, but get yourself one of these and make your room look cool, or whatever it is that you're trying to make look cool. Well, guys, that was today's YouTube review of the TV LED strips for screens up to 65. It's 6.5 feet, by the way. Uh, Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can check out when my next video comes out. Even though I say I'm gonna release a new one, sometimes I say I'm gonna release a new episode, but I get too caught up and too busy with other work, production work, that I just don't end up making it in time. So, but rest assured, I'm gonna buy a new laptop and I'm gonna build a PC, and that'll be other unboxing episodes coming your way. See you later and take care. See you next time.